welcome to Travel Tribe.
Today we're going to be talking about the things that you should and should not do when you're at the beach.
Make sure to like and subscribe.
Let's get started.
We're in the beautiful Laguna Beach, California right now.
But this is how we grow. Gotta give it up sometimes, let's go. And knowing when to kill your pride. There's no one to blame. Nothing really stays the same. This is how we grow. Sometimes we hold on to let go.
We're going to talk about the things you shouldn't and should do at the beach.
And today we're with our friends Tyler and Allison. Say hi to the camera, guys.
Hi.
Oh, hey. All right, number one, when you're at the beach and there's a lot of open space, don't sit right next to someone like these people.
Number two, when you're shaking out your towel, shake it out on the opposite side of the water. No one wants a face full of sand.
Oh, you got the meatballs.
Number three, throw away your trash. It literally takes 5 seconds. There's always trash cans around the beach. Just make sure we're protecting our environment.
Number four, when you're throwing a football and a frisbee around, be aware of the people around you and your surroundings.
Sorry. My bad. Sorry about that. Number five, if you put on spray sunscreen, go upwind, not downwind. And there you have it, guys. Those are a couple things that you should and should not do when you're at the beach. And as always, guys, don't forget to like and subscribe.